Okay, it's a very exciting day in the Beard House because close to my heart, new consultants kit has arrived in this beautiful pink box. So I'm very excited to open it. Let's have a look what's inside. So it's beautifully presented. Lots of little bits, and I don't know about you, but this is the sort of thing I keep for a later date. We have a welcome to our family note with information about being a consultant, I'd imagine. So I'm skipping, but the new catalogue. Oh my gosh, can't wait to sit with the cuppa and have a look through this. Just realised I probably won't be able to post this straight away because I can't show you the catalogue yet because this is September. It starts in September, so what else is there? Oh, these are the seasonal catalogues. So these I've got some, then also new September to October. These are the mini catalogues. Ooh, look. Here I've got a note from Jeanette, mission statement, your story, talking about your story. I'm going to have to read through this, make this a bit quicker, so I'll just put these aside. And here we have, bag chocked full of goodies, which I'll have a look through in a moment. Some coordinating cardstock, which coordinates with the mixed in papers. So these must be these are the mixed in papers in the September to October mini catalogue. And then I've got my consultant supplies, order forms, and grid paper. I'm just going to set this all aside and we'll have a closer look. Okay, so I've removed everything from the box and we're going to have a little closer look. And while I'm looking here, I've been looking for a box to, put my projects in and spray when I'm not going to do splatter and glitter, and this is going to be perfect. So I'll keep that. Okay, so inside your new consultants pack, you get a pack of the new mixed in papers. So we'll have a quick look at these. Quite pretty colours, blues, pinks, we've got neutrals, lovely green. So this is a bit of a sneak view at this new product that's coming out in September as well at the same time. So you get a cardstock, coordinating cardstock and paper pack. We need to use on your projects. So I'm looking forward to having a play with those. Like I said, you've got a bag full of goodies. So let's have a look what we've got in here. So you get an adhesive, a tape runner, close to my heart, adhesive tape runner. These I'm pretty excited about. These are the non-stick micro-tip scissors. So everyone needs micro-tip scissors to make ease of fussy cutting. I'm personally not the greatest cutter-outerer. That's a word. But I must admit, these scissors have made that possible for me. And these have got a non-stick surface, so they can cut through adhesive and not get sticky and gummed up, which is good for me because I'm pretty lazy about cleaning my scissors. Just a tip though, if you do have scissors that are all gummed up, the best thing I find for cleaning them is something like eucalyptus oil or tea tree oil. So you get a acrylic block, 2" by 2", which is good. A good useful size. I've got quite a few acrylic blocks, but you can never have too many of those. Oh, look at this! It's adorable. You look radishing. So these, there's three in your kit. So I think these are probably things that you can gift to your customers. For, participating in art, like competitions or, giveaways. So look out, I might be giving those away to someone on this channel at some point. You also receive a black stamp pad which is, oh, they're black. I'm going to do a video about their stamp pads, but they're awesome. They really are great. Great size, so easy to open. They're just magnetic. They come apart, and really good quality dye inks. You get a paper piercer, always handy for all sorts of things, not just paper piercing, but getting off little bits of tape runner, double-sided tape and foam dots and things. Oh wow, look at this. This is a swatch of all their cardstock. So that will be good because I don't know the colours yet, so it'll be a good learning tool for me. You get a stamp chamois. Now, these are fantastic for cleaning your stamps, getting rid of all that ink and Versamark and whatever you've been using. Look, when I first started stamping 14 years ago, I used to buy Stampin' Scrubs and different tools to clean your stamps and sprays. And little did I know that the perfect tool was lurking in the car washing stuff in the garage, a chamois. This is what this is. It's the same sort of material. I've got two. That's awesome. I've already got one and I use it all the time. You just wet it down, wring it out so it's not dripping, just wring it out, and it just cleans your stamps up fantastic. These are great, really good. So I've got two more. That's brilliant. And finally, let me show you how Business Builder stamp set. So this is going to be really handy making thank you cards for my customers. Look, I suppose I probably can use this in some of my scrapbooking as well. Yeah, this is a really nice little set. This is how their stamp sets come. They're great. They're already in little pockets, and ready, really ready for storage. And storing your stamps like this is just so convenient and takes up less space. So these are good. Well done. Close to my heart. Thank you. I'm so excited to get and use these. And like I said, I've got order forms and grid paper, which is handy for anyone. Also, we have the 2 catalogues which are coming out in September. So I probably, given that it's only now August that I'm filming this, I can't really go through in detail, but I'm going to give you a quick little flick through. This will be available 1st of September. If you are interested and you don't have a close to my heart demonstrator and you would like me to send you a copy of these catalogues, just drop me a comment in the comments below, and I'll make sure one of these finds their way to you. So I'm pretty excited about this. I'm loving the fact that I get a look at the products well ahead of time, and I can order now as well, so I can actually have the new products in my hands before everyone else. I'm very excited about that. I'm looking forward to using some of them and doing some videos to show you what we've got. So that's enough from me. If you are interested in seeing some videos about card making, scrapbooking, all the tips and tricks that I've learned over the years, please make sure you hit subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you get notified when I release a video. And also it'd be great to chat to you, so leave me a comment, especially if you want one of these catalogues, because they can be on their way to you very soon. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.